All right, so I'm continuing my video series on answering people's questions. They're asking these on search engines like Google and ChatGPT and so forth. And this one particular is, can you make a lot of money doing affiliate marketing? So this is somebody that is new to affiliate marketing. They haven't experienced making money with affiliate marketing. The short answer is absolutely, you can make a lot of money. You can actually make millions. I have not become a millionaire with affiliate marketing, so that's just me being straight up honest. Just go search the internet, go search YouTube. You'll have plenty of people that can show you proof that they've made millions of dollars being an affiliate for something. Sometimes people make $1 million just being an affiliate of one software. I know a guy that has made about $2 million selling Kajabi. Kajabi is a course creation platform and an all-in-one business platform where you can do all your email marketing, create all your landing pages, your email subscribers, and full-fledged courses and communities. It does the whole thing. It's a little on the pricey side, but when you sell to the right audience, it's very powerful. They've made over $2 million, and that's not even how much money they've already made, like $20 million in their business. So affiliate marketing, you just have to put things into context, right? Like, I'm pretty successful as an affiliate marketer. I've made over $600,000 doing affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you proof of about half of that right now with just 5 sources. I'm going to show you how I've made almost $300,000 of that right now, instead of pulling out all the accounting and going all the way down the road, because I probably have like 50 different sources that I've made money on. Some of the largest ones that come to mind, I'm going to show you those right now. Just to put it into context, I'll be showing you the proof of income. That's really what this video is about, showing you proof that you can make a lot of money from somebody that can prove it to you that you can make a lot of money. Hundreds of thousands of dollars. I'm going to be able to prove to you right now. One of my, I guess I would call him kind of a mentor. I haven't hired him directly one-on-one, but he's someone that I follow on YouTube, and I'm an email subscriber of theirs. So you get to know them quite a bit throughout the years. If they've made $20 million online over the last 10 years or something like that, only if $2 million of that was affiliate marketing, that's only 20% of their online business is using the affiliate marketing model. But when you put that into context, because they have a bigger audience than me, then even their 20% is $2 million. It's, about 3 or 4 times more than I've made just from affiliate marketing. So putting things into context, it does matter what size of audience you have, what stage and what platform you have. Everyone gets started at the same point. They get started at ground zero, right? And we get to choose what we do with that. All we can do is choose how much work, effort, and consistency we're willing to put into our business. We can't really choose how much money we make, unfortunately, or we would all be making $1 million a year or more, right? But one thing we can control, so we can't control 100% like people buying our stuff. We can improve on sales copy, improve on every video we put out. Those are things that we have to try to improve. We don't always have the answers. There's a lot of gray areas with marketing online and business in general. We don't always have the answers. But what we can control is consistency and taking action. And that right there, already, if you were an action taker, then you're already ahead of 90% of other people. People join my community all the time. It's a little disheartening when people sign up. This is not my major way that I make money, is my school community. You can click the link below and check it out. I'm fixing to hire the price, by the way. It's normally $97 a month. The price is the lowest it's ever been right now. If you're seeing this video today on October 14th, then you have a day or two. I believe this is the last week I'm going to offer this, and the price is going up. So if you've been thinking about joining, now's the time to join. People will join. We have action takers. I can go show you people making hundreds of dollars per month doing what I'm teaching. But then we have people that are non-action takers, that are shiny object seekers. They purchase the program, stay at level 1, don't even introduce themselves, and then they're out. What they're missing out on is somebody that's willing to get on 2 calls per month with them. There's about 100 hours of content learning affiliate marketing in so many different ways, from somebody tracking $1 million in affiliate marketing, and they're on to the next thing. There's somebody else out there that can teach them better about affiliate marketing. I put myself up there with the best of them. My point is, be an action taker. Don't join a community and then don't post and introduce yourself and watch the videos and watch the initial course and do something with it. Take action. Give yourself 3 to 6 months in a new venture or strategy before you say, this isn't going to work for me. But don't just buy things and then don't do anything with it. So now, with that said, can you make a lot of money with affiliate marketing? Absolutely. I'm going to show you proof from 5 sources. This is just 5 sources. I probably have 30 or 50 or even more sources. If you go back and look at some of my other videos, I have shown my accounting software where I do all my accounting and everything and show you the actual amount that comes in. But right over here, these are the actual amounts coming into some of my accounts. So this is Warrior Plus. Over the last 30 days, we've tracked $4,000 in affiliate commissions. It says affiliate sales, and that's not revenue. That's actually commission in my pocket. The revenue would actually be twice that. So I sold probably over $8,000 worth of merchandise or digital product. I'm getting paid 50% commission generally on that. So $4,000 in my pocket right there. I actually just went over to my Warrior Plus wallet and sent myself $3,000 yesterday. This is a big one that I've been doing quite a bit this year. You go into affiliate and you go into stats, and we can look at it from just like, I'm curious actually, I haven't looked at this year to date. How much money have I made on Warrior Plus just this year? We're almost at $30,000 this year. And, a lot of we have to attribute a lot of that to one software, one product brought in over half of what I've made, which was this ebook writer AI. That one just took off. 659 sales, almost $16,000. Somebody else did all the hard work. They built the software. They hired the developer. They have to do all the customer support tickets. They have to do all that stuff. And all I have to do is make YouTube videos about it and tell the world. The world rewarded me for doing that by paying me $16,000, right? Now, the ones that do good are softwares, right? So this one right here is a software, Creators a software, LocalWise is a software. This one was actually a course, not a software. Channel Profit Sprint was also a course as well. This was a course. So there's been a lot of courses. Crispy Sticks was a software as well. So there's a good mix, and we're able to do pretty well with the courses, the educational stuff, like here's a strategy on how to make money or whatever. But the softwares can be really heavy hitting, and it shows right here. We're at 30,000 almost this year. And if we go into all time, you'll see that we're at almost $80,000 right here in this Warrior Plus account. Now, this is my second Warrior Plus account, but this is the one that has the most money. So I wanted to show that one. So almost $80,000. We're, over the next year, we'll be crossing over that $100,000 on Warrior Plus mark, which is super, super cool. Let's move on to some of the others. We have this other one, Impact Radius. You can see over here, the total earnings is $128,000 that I've made in the last about 5 years on the account. You can see right over here, this is 2021. Before I started really making money, it was about midway through 2021. And you can see it kind of had a heyday right over here for a couple of years, made some really good money. And then this year has not been the greatest. Things have slowed down, even on AppSumo. A lifetime deal software has slowed down because AI has made it possible for almost anybody to create software if they want to. And then there's been some other reasons as well. AppSumo's reputation kind of went down because they've had some lifetime deals that went under, a lot of disappointed customers. That's probably impacted my business a little bit from that standpoint. But you can still see we're still making money. We still got all these clicks going on over here. Actually, we're on clicks right here. So I got to go into total earnings right here. This is a better map out right here. So you'll be able to see right here. Total earnings is just really consistent. And you'll see these big paydays right over here. And you'll just see right over here. It's been very evergreen and consistent throughout the last 4 years, $128,000 right there. Then we move on to another software right over here. So this one's just one product, one piece of software, 30% lifetime reoccurring commissions. And this is Koala AI, my top recommended, my favorite AI writer. And a 30% reoccurring lifetime commission is just a perfect structure. And they've paid me $12,500 so far right there. And then we come to another one, SE Writing AI. This one actually made more money than the other one. It's 30% reoccurring commissions, but I just made more sales with them. I think my audience resonated with this piece of software even more than the other one. I think their pricing options probably are a little bit better or something like that. We can say that there's 483 sales that I made, 483 sales. And right over here, we only had 149 sales. So that's the difference. There's been 150 sales and 266 total paid customers, but that's still about 100 more customers from SE Writing. And it's yielded almost $15,000 in my bank account right there in commissions right there. And then we have another one, JVZoo. And you can see just hover over yesterday, made $39 yesterday. We'll go into affiliates, maybe the affiliate dashboard. This might show our total. So let's load this page up real quick and look at all time. Cool. So this should show us what our total amount earned in commissions. And this one's actually $52,000 in affiliate commissions right there, a 10% conversion rate. right there. And then you can see that 20,000 of that, so not quite half, came from a software. It was a keyword research software. And then right here, software. This is software, AI white labels, the Raptor, Insta Keywords, all of these, Keyword Phoenix. All of these are software based. That's what I've gotten into in my affiliate marketing business, selling software. It's a digital product. It's a high perceived value. I think it's a higher perceived value than educational courses or making money online strategies. And so that's why software is in such a great success for me. So $52,000 right there. I've showed you 5 sources, almost $80,000 there, almost $130,000 there, $12,500 there, and then almost $15,000 there, and $52,000 there. When I get the calculator out, I already did this ahead of time. It's $283,000. So almost $300,000 of what I've made over the last 4 years has been from just these 5 sources right here. I've got a lot of other sources that would add up to the other $600,000. Some of that is like selling my own products, selling my own courses, and doing a bunch of other stuff, maybe sponsorships and so forth. This is hundreds of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions earned. I left my corporate day job back in October 2020. I believe it was maybe October 17th or something like that. During the pandemic, I left my job as a materials director, making pretty good money because I had a dream to follow my dreams and build my own affiliate marketing business, which I have succeeded at. I've been able to do this for 5 years full time. Super excited about that. And that's what I teach a community over here called YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. Normal price is $97. You can get in for just $17. If you're watching this video the week of October 14th. Next week, I'm changing the price back up. This is your chance to get grandfathered in. If you come in at this price, you lock in. As long as you're a member, the price doesn't go up for you, even when I change the price. There's so much to go over in here. Gary came in just a few weeks ago. He made $700 in September. Following my guidelines, and he made that money on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. We can come over here and even look at the classroom, and you can see I have a launch jacking course that teaches you how to make videos on Warrior Plus and JVZoo products, how to rank them, and how to build bonuses, how to make money with this. You get all the calls, all the live recordings, over 50 plus hours. It's probably about 80 hours now by this time. The YT Affiliate Blueprint, this is going to teach you about how you can go in and select software and like one-off products, find good affiliate programs, and build your income. There's just so much in the community. I hope that you can see how powerful this is. Come be our next member in the community. I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.